Kamusta mga balibulista? Tinalo ng FAU Tamaraos ang NU Bulldogs 25-18, 25-18, 25-23. Best player of the game si J-Lord Talisayan matapos nagtala ng 13 points mula sa 11 attacks at 2 aces. Winalis naman ng Letran Knights ang AAC Generals 25-15, 25-21, 25-18. Best player of the game si Vince Hemson matapos nagtala ng 15 points mula sa 12 attacks, 2 blocks at 1 ace. Para naman sa Women's Division, wagi ang UP Lady Marons kontra sa ULED Warriors 25-15, 25-16, 25-22. Best player of the game si Kian Olango matapos humakot ng 14 points mula sa 11 attacks at 3 blocks. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng Men's Division as of August 21, 2024. Del Eso Green Spikers 4 wins, 0 loss, 12 points. FAU Tamaraos 3 wins, 1 loss, 10 points. Letran Knights 2 wins, 2 losses, 7 points. NU Bulldogs 2 wins, 2 losses, 6 points. Perpetual Altas 2 wins, 2 losses, 5 points. UST Golden Spikers 2 wins, 2 losses, 5 points. Ateneo Blue Eagles 1 win, 3 losses, 3 points. AAC Generals 0 win, 4 losses, 0 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang team standing sa Women's Division as of August 21, 2024. UST Golden Tigresses 3 wins, 0 loss, 9 points. UP Lady Marons 3 wins, 2 losses, 9 points. FAU Lady Tamaraos 2 wins, 2 losses, 7 points. CSB Lady Blizzards 2 wins, 2 losses, 6 points. ULED Warriors 1 win, 2 losses, 3 points. Letran Lady Knights 1 win, 1 loss, 2 points. LPU Lady Pirates 0 win, 3 losses, 0 point. Heto ang mga laro ngayong August 25, 2024 na gaganapin sa Paco Arena. Para sa Women's Division, magharap ang UST Golden Tigresses at CSB Lady Blizzards alas 10 ng umaga. Magharap naman ang FAU Lady Tamaraos at ULED Warriors alas 12 ng tanghali. Para naman sa Men's Division, magsasagupang Del Eso Green Spikers at FAU Tamaraos alas 3 ng hapon. Magtutos naman ang NU Bulldogs at Ateneo Blue Eagles alas 5 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.